Yeah, the SL60iiD has a loud fan. At first, I did not notice it, but as I kept on using it, I realized that the fan is really loud. And if you're working in a sound-treated room, trust me, you will hear it. But for me, who's first time into lighting, and I'm just doing YouTube videos like these type of videos, I have no issue with this light. But if you're a person who's doing like interviews, you're doing documentaries where it involves people sitting down and talking, you'll really hear this fan and it will make you uncomfortable. So I would advise you to go for something expensive and do some good work with it. But if you're a person who's on a budget and you're trying to get into lighting and video work, this is a good light. If you're going to do work outside, it's also a good light. But if you're very sensitive to the fan noise, I advise you to invest in something that is more easier on the ears than this one. And there are very many brands out there. I'm sure you've been watching very many videos on the platform. But as per my experience getting into lighting for the first time, yes, the fan is there, I can hear it. At first I wouldn't. Actually, I bought a very long soft box. I was going to go for the 120, but I went for the 90 centimeters, thinking that I would distance myself more from the spotlight fan, but I can still hear it through my 90 centimeter softbox. So what am I saying? Is it a bad light? No, it's not a bad light. It's a very, very nice light. I'm enjoying it. The only thing it doesn't have is like changing light temperature. But apart from that, I'm comfortable with the 5600 Kelvin. I'm shooting nice videos with it and I'm happy with it. So if you're sensitive to noise, go for something a bit more pricey. If you're on a budget and you really want to get into lighting, this is a very good light to start with. It has that, it can give you that professional look if you have a good camera, and it can really make you stand out. But if you're looking for something a bit silent for the type of work you do, go for something more pricier. Thank you.